If you spend a lot on makeup, it's only natural to want to get your money's worth, but that doesn't mean you should hold on to your foundation and lipstick indefinitely. Old makeup can harbor bacteria, cause infections, and damage your skin, so it's important to know when to throw it away. I always struggle with this. Michelle Phillips is here to give us some important tips that we need to keep in mind.
Yes, I always suggest every 3 months, like every season, just clean out your makeup bag, go through your drawers, go through your handbag, pull out all your makeup, and look at your makeup seriously and decide what you need to toss and what you can keep, and you take inventory. But the most important reason that we do this is because makeup, once you have it for a while, it starts to harbor bacteria, which can cause serious eye infections, infections in your skin, acne, all kinds of issues. And I know we spend a lot of money on makeup.
I struggle with this. So kind of help us, give us some time frames. And again, foundation, I don't really have to hold on to foundation too much because I usually go through it all. But what's the rule on this?
About a year to 2 years. And that also depends on how you apply it. I'm sorry, I just picked it up. But if you apply, basically put your fingers in your makeup to apply it, you are adding bacteria into your foundation bottle. So you definitely want to avoid doing that if you want your makeup to last longer.
Oh, good tip. Do you sponge and brush instead?
Sponges and brushes instead. And then next, go through your eyeshadow and your blush. And so if you can see here, look at how crusty that blush is. Look at this eyeshadow. That screams to me nasty, dirty, throw it away. Even though I love these colors, you know, I saved these for the segment because I was like, okay, this is bad. This was in my makeup case.
Because I'll be honest with you, my blush that I have makeup case, I think is 2 years old.
Yeah, I'd say a year to 2 years. And because if it starts getting crusty looking or it's at the bottom of the barrel, you pretty much need to ditch it. And plus, a lot of times colors will not have that same pigment in it anymore. If it starts to really kind of fade, you know that when you put it on.
A year to 2 years.
Yeah.
I need to revisit some of my old eyeshadows when I get home.
Mascara, 3 months, no longer than that. Mascara is one of the leading causes of like pink eye infections. Do not use your mascara past 3 months. Ditch it, get a new one, and don't share. My daughter will come into my makeup bag and, you know, like my bathroom and start using my mascara. I'm like, no, 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 no. So
when it does come to mascara, this is only if it's been opened. I have some mascaras that I have not opened yet. Are those still okay?
Those are still okay. Once you open and use them is what I'm saying.
That's when the clock starts ticking.
Exactly. And then eyeliners will stop, you know, basically sharpen them a lot, but they will stop working if they're past their prime too. Lipsticks, a year to 2 years max, they will start to get gummy. You could still get, you know, dryness.
What about the crusty of a lipstick? The top where it gets like kind of crusty, I'm assuming that's bad.
Yeah, that is bad. Anything that's crusty is bad.
Lipstick do that though, where it gets kind of weird feeling?
Well, being on TV, we go through a lot of makeup a lot quicker, but a lot of times I will look into my clients' makeup bags and think, really, they've had these things, you know, 3 to 4 years. Makeup sponges should only be used for 1 to 2 days and then throw them away. You can go to your local beauty supply or drugstore and get a whole bag of them. So definitely use these to apply your foundation, but then throw them away after a couple days. Powder puffs the same. Once you put this into your powder, you're contaminating your powder and the oil in your face into the powder. What happens is it starts to change the color of your powder. So
and that's sometimes why powder gets that nasty look, is because of the old sponges.
That you're putting in and out and touching your face and then putting it back into the container.
That oil look, I've heard.
Exactly. So, and brushes, get good brushes and then wash them often. And then what I do is start to separate my makeup.
Okay, this is an awesome makeup bag. Whole other segment. I love this.
And this is what I do is I separate it by eyes, cheeks, foundations,
and
lips.
It's so clean.
And that, well, it's because it's brand new. Because this one was my old one that I cleaned out from this summer. Look how quickly it gets dirty.
This looks like my makeup bag. I'm not gonna lie, Michelle.
And it's yucky. So yeah, get organized, get clear containers that you can literally grab and go. And then take with you, and then touch-ups, put in a little bag, and then separate your special occasion makeup. Get that out of the way too. So you're organized, you're clean, you're ready to go for fall.
I love it. I love it. I love it. She literally opened
whenever.
I like it. Good stuff. You literally opened your beauty bag for us today. Come back and we'll tackle some more. Thank you.
Absolutely.